Jai Swaminarayan. Myself Kumudini Nalaude and I am teaching you GK standard 4th. Okay, so we are studying this chapter why it happens. We are on the second experiment. Go out during the different times of the day, watch your shadow, you see and why. What do you see and why? Okay, so see, our shadows are different at different situations. Okay, during the different times of the day. uh, First of all, can anyone tell me what is shadow? A shadow is a dark area where the light from the light source is blocked by an opaque object. Is it right? Everyone know now opaque and luminous objects which are there. Okay, transparent, translucent. Do you know about these words? The things through which light can pass is transparent. The substances, or we can say the object through which the light can partially passes is called translucent, and the object or the things through which light cannot pass, it is called opaque material or opaque things. Okay, so human beings and trees are opaque. Okay, so when we standing on the earth, or we can say in between sun, so our shadow fall on the earth. So there are the different situation of earth at a different time. When sun is morning sorry, these changes occurs due to the position of the light source, that is because of the sun position in the sky. Okay, and it affects the length of shadow. When the sun is low at horizon, the shadows are long. Okay, and we can think in another situation of such things are happen. Do you understand? Fine, let's see the third. Take some ice and some frozen food out of the freezer. Leave them on the table. What do you see after few hours? Which still frozen and why? Okay, take out ice cubes from ice tray, and then some frozen food we have put in the freezer. That means ice cream, or we can say srikhand, whatever you have put in the freezer. So which melt first? Definitely ice melt first. You can do this easy experiment at home. Okay, you can see that ice cube melts fastly because melting point of water is low. So what is melting point? The temperature at which the substance or the things melts is called melting point. So melting point of ice is low, that's why it melts first, and after some time, or otherwise we can say for other substances it take longer times. Get it? Now next. You will need a gas balloon and ordinary balloon. Release them both up into the air at the same time. What happens and why? So balloons everyone likes, even I also like balloons. Okay, but see the two situation. In one balloon we have filled air, and in another balloon we have filled helium gas. So which balloons go upwards, or we can say just 1 minute. The gas balloon floats air than the air balloon. Why? Because gas inside the balloon is helium. So can you know about this helium? What is do you know anything about this helium? Helium is the gas which is called noble gas. Okay, and in the periodic table, I think in the 9th or 10th standard you can study about the periodic table. This gas is noble gas, and it is lighter than air, that's why it move upwards, and then the balloon which is full of air. Get it? Next, take a potted plant and place near the window. Okay, so water it regularly, observe for few days what happens and why. So I think you have not taken zero effort for this. Everyone has tulsi in your house. Okay, otherwise we can say a rose plant, we can say there is at least one plant in your house or in your windows, in gardens. So yeah, if grandparents are there in your house, they definitely water them regularly, otherwise mama water them regularly. If you watch carefully, if the your plants are in the windows, then watch them carefully. What will you observe? You observe that the plants or tulsi or which plants, whatever it may be, it move towards in the direction of light. Do you know why? First of all, tell me the three things which are necessary, important for the growth of plant: light, soil, and water. Okay, so soil and nutrients, that was already given in the in the pot. Okay, water mama is giving regularly, and light you have kept the pot in the window, so in which direction there is sun rays are there, it naturally the plant move towards it. Okay, that why? Because it is the important thing to the growth of plant. Okay, so how you feel about this chapter? You get the some information about the so many things na, that are regularly happen around us, but we don't know why. And isn't value it is interesting? Okay, so read the chapter carefully and understand that. Okay, have a nice time.